The empire that once conquered forests and defended its soul in battle now lives on in pageantry, memory, and identity. In this final episode, we explore how the Asante Empire's legacy continues, not as a political state, but as a living culture rooted in history, ritual, and community. The story of the Asante is far from over. It's being told every day in the vibrant streets of Kumasi, in the rhythm of drums, and in the intricate patterns of kente cloth. Join us as we discover how a once mighty empire transformed into an enduring cultural force that continues to shape the heart of modern Ghana. At the very core of modern Asante identity is the Golden Stool, Sika Dwa Kofi. Legend says it descended from the heavens, delivered by the great priest Okomfo Anokye, to land on the lap of the first Asante king, Osei Tutu. This sacred object is said to embody the very spirit, or sunsum, of the Asante people. It is so holy that it never touches the earth and is always placed on its own special chair. Even today, the Golden Stool is the ultimate symbol of power and unity, honored in every important ceremony. But it's so much more than a throne. It represents the unbreakable link between the living, the dead, and the generations yet to come. It's a focal point that binds all Asante people together, a physical manifestation of their collective soul that has anchored them across centuries of change and challenge. One of the most vibrant expressions of this living heritage is the Akwasidae Festival. Held every 42 days, this celebration is a dazzling display of history, spirituality, and community. It's a time to honor the ancestors, remember past kings, and pay homage to the Golden Stool itself. The festival draws chiefs in their full regalia, families from all over the region, and curious visitors to the Manhia Palace in Kumasi. The air fills with the powerful sound of drumming and the sight of energetic dancing, as the community comes together in a magnificent public durbar presided over by the Asantehene, the king of the Asante. During the ritual, libations are poured to connect with the spiritual world, and respects are paid to the ancestral stools, which represent the spirits of former chiefs who continue to guide their people. This festival is more than just pageantry. It's a powerful reaffirmation of cultural memory, a renewal of the sacred bond with ancestors, and a joyful celebration of communal life that keeps the Asante spirit alive and strong. The legacy of resistance is also a powerful part of the Asante identity, and it's honored with great passion. The Ya Asantewa Festival commemorates the fierce Queen Mother, who, in 1900, famously led Asante warriors against the British when they demanded the surrender of the Golden Stool. Her legendary courage in the face of colonial power has made her an enduring symbol of strength, defiance, and resilience. While the war itself is a chapter in the history books, her indomitable spirit is celebrated annually. This 9-day festival brings communities together through processions, reenactments, and ceremonies. It is a time to remember the sacrifices made for freedom, and to honor the kind of leadership that refuses to fade in the face of adversity. The story of Ya Asantewa continues to inspire new generations, reminding everyone of the strength that can be found in defending one's culture and heritage. But the Asante legacy isn't just found in grand festivals and historical commemorations. It's lived and breathed in everyday practice. You can see it in the hands of artisans patiently weaving the world-famous kente cloth, where every color and pattern tells a unique story. You can see it in the workshops of goldsmiths, meticulously crafting traditional ornaments that have adorned Asante royalty for centuries. It's heard in the rhythm of drums and the melodies of songs as music and storytelling are passed down from elders to young people, ensuring the tales of the past are never forgotten. And it's spoken in the Twi language, a living link that connects the present directly to the past. The entire Ashanti region remains a cultural heartbeat, a place where museums, palaces, and most importantly, the daily life of the community keep history tangible and accessible for both locals and visitors alike. So, what is the role of the Asante king in the 21st century? Today, the Asantehene remains the supreme custodian of this rich tradition. While he is not a sovereign political ruler within the modern state of Ghana, he wields immense moral authority, a respect that has been carried forward through centuries of lineage. He plays a vital role in mediating disputes, championing development, and preserving the cultural heritage of his people. The symbols of the old empire are still incredibly potent. The Golden Stool, for instance, is proudly featured on the Ashanti regional flag, a constant reminder of a shared identity rooted in a deep and glorious heritage. It's a powerful example of how culture can outlive empires, adapting and evolving while still holding onto the core beliefs that define a people. The king's presence ensures that tradition has a voice in modern Ghana. The Asante Empire began with myth and was forged in battle. But its true endurance is found in the heart and in ceremony. From the thunderous drums of the Akwasidae Festival to the whispered echoes of an ancestral pledge, from the story of a queen's courage to the delicate work of an artisan's hands, the legacy is everywhere. It is a history made visible. A story you can see in every dance step, read in every pattern of cloth, and hear in every festival song. It's a powerful testament to how a people can carry their history forward, not as a relic of the past, but as a vibrant, living part of their present and future. An empire's political borders may have faded from the map, but its spirit lives on, woven into the fabric of tradition, memory, and identity. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the centuries of Asante history. We hope it has inspired you. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and let the stories of the past light up your future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more history journeys.